So New Year is going to be here and there's going to be many resolutions and the top one is to lose weight. But don't wait till January. So tip number one is we're going to fix your breakfast, just the breakfast alone. So what you're going to do for the breakfast is no naked carbs, meaning you should not have carbohydrates alone. Make this rule. Have 2 eggs and 1 avocado or a cup of veg and a cup of paneer before you have your idlis or dosas or upmas, anything. So no naked carbs for your breakfast. So tip number two is no snacking in between. Yeah, we have fixed your breakfast, right? So you can have any kind of meals for lunch and dinner. Yeah, you can have, but no snacking in between the meals. So if you want to have any tea or coffee, have it at the end of the meal, like at the end of your breakfast. Or if you want to have any dark chocolate or nuts or fruits, have it at the end of the lunch or the end of the dinner, but not in between the meals. It is strictly gate closed. Okay, tip number three is it can sound like a cliche, but it is the most important one. You have to cut down the sugar. Definitely. Because when I mean sugar, it's not like switching to jaggery or brown sugar or coconut sugar. It means no sugar at all. Yeah, just for these 3 weeks, so that you can have the fast metabolism to run and burn the fat fast. So instead, you can opt for stevia or monk fruit, and then you can add it to the beverages. So no sugar. That's a strict one. So tip number four is a fun one. You're gonna have 1 tablespoon of butter or ghee every day. You can simply scoop up and eat it if you like it, or you can add it to the beverages like tea or coffee, or even on your rice or idli dosa or anything else. But you're gonna have 1 tablespoon of butter or ghee. Okay, the fifth one is no brainer. You're going to stop eating at least 3 hours before you go to sleep. Let's say if you're going to sleep by 10 p.m., have your dinner at least by 7 p.m., and then no snacking after that. Imagine like your digestion or stomach gate got closed. So these tips are so easy to try. And did you notice there is no workout included? Because just the food alone can give you the result. So follow it and then let me know in the comments.